Julie, and good morning, my dear students. Today I'm going to take 6th science. The chapter is Fiber to Fabric from Unit 3. So we all know that we been to the market, a cloth market or a cloth shop. What do we see? हम क्या देखते हैं? We see a variety of clothes. अगर हम इन सभी कपड़े को टच करेंगे, we feel different. Even we wear a different clothes in the summer and in the winter also. Ngatang yarla tene yang koslak cik tene ngatang gunla ngatang koslak po gonches po yang soso jono. Yarla tene ngatang silmo kamang cha tene ngatang cotton base tene yang winter tene ngatang mang cha tene ngatang woolen base koslak tene ngatang mang cha gona no halala. Tena sosla tene ngi kane koslak ka chik khonsno tene ngatang ikane जैसे कि ngi kane koslak chichiyot ikane chichiyot tena sosla I koslak ko nang tash chonang po I koslak sang matene soft chono khachik tene izo tash chonang po warm feel chano tene ngata khachik tash chonang po smooth na tene chapeshi cool choshinga ta yono tene khachik ngata coarse yono halala tene ina zosla I ngata tash chonang po I sang matene chapik warm yono halala. So in our house, what do we see? We see our bed sheets, we see our pillow covers, we see our curtains, we see our carpets, and we see our rugs, and a variety of things are around us. Then it's hamma tenangata chisarang it's hamma tenangata fabric halale. Then if fabric tenangata how it is came into our life zanangepo you tengane fala yutke zena mitke halale. During the ancient time, during the early peoples, what they do, they are not aware of this fibers or fabrics le. So during that time, what they wear, so वो अपने आप को protect करने के लिए what they wear mostly leaves of a tree, a bark of a tree, and animal skin and animal fur. So they use this sort of things to protect themselves from the cold, from the harsh climates. So during ancient time, so we will take a little bit of history of this how the fabric came into our life. तो अगर हम history के बारे में जानेंगे तो in the early ages, in the ancient time, the people are not aware of this fibers and fabric. So later, around 40,000 back, they are aware of the swing needles. Before that, what the people do, they are aware of the cottons because the cottons are mostly grown in the Indian parts of the Ganga valleys, and in the Egypt side a flax plant which is also a plant product. So वहाँ से वो लोग क्या करते थे कपड़े बना के वो लोग पहनते थे. So like this they use only the fabric part. They are not aware of the stitching and all these things. So around 40,000 years back they are able to understand about the stitching. So swing needles was invented during that time, and after that the people start stitching the fabrics, and they made different clothes to wear. Even during this time also, in many parts of our country, the fabric is used like dhoti, saris. These are only the fabric which they without stitching they wear just like that. Okay, this is all about the history how the fabric came into our life. Next, we will try to identify fabric and try to label it. Okay, student, now I have got some fibers and fabrics. So these are the fibers. These are the fibers, and these are the fabrics. So if we try to identify this is a woolen. And if we try to identify this is a synthetic material. And if we try to find this is a material which is very soft and very shiny and very lustrous also. This is silk. Ibang ngata silk nok tene mangcha tene ngati amale gune tene kos na tene tilen shkeras kuncha nok. Ten ibo tene ngata woolen nok kaba tene ngata mangcha tene amale gune yang gona nok kaba ngata logor zera nok. This is also warm. This is also wool. So it's identify we see a variety of material with us in our home and outside the market also. So this is all about the material halala. Tengata you identify chose then khachingata cotton is khachitengata silk is khachingata wool is so these all are different material halala. Now do you know what this different material are made up of? I material sang matengata casual dupstano hala chicken yostano stana nyampo tene I material sang matenge for example tasangna I material bos tasangna it is a to continuous species thong halala ibang continuous species thong ibang ata continuous species thong halala the continuous species po tenang ata closely examine chon ang po then we see a small thread le thread inang ata thread zuga lungs yong dole ta I thread po tenang ata needle jinang po pas chon ang po nam jing ata khabe nang ko rasko chikta nang po kabi kabi te needle gazuk penane eyes penane macha tene te ngata zazal chami dole Otena chosla tene kaltes nge ibo ten tenang tenenge closely examine chonang po I see so many thinner strings halale izong atayang chun thamo mangpo yut ke halale then iba teneng ata zara no fibers le I fibers kun chin ozena I fibers kun teneng ata yarn zid halale iba teneng ata chicken dup ten ozena yarn ikan halale iba tas keneng ata ikan ngata tana ibo ata yarn jik soshik halale maga I yarn bokora yang tas kena I yarn bo yang ata thin teneng ata thamo tene yang yarns kunika thinner yarns kunika ne dup ten halale so basang tene ngata skyang sta teneng ata fibers bo ngata definition bo zet tangna fibers bo chin ozena It is a class of a material that is continuous filaments halale and can be spun into yarns le ya mane strings or a rope le okay fibers tasangala zosla fibers it is a class of material तो material jik that is continuous kaungata continuous shiot continuous जैसे कि मताई का खुद ताना तेने this is a continuous halal continuous तेने and can be spun yang तो ngata khalte halal ya mane तो ngata khalte yarn chungena no yarn means tugu tos chungena no halal tugu tos chungena no or a string ya mane ngata rasko tos chungena no halal or a rope te mane ngata thakpa tos chu ngena zara no halal that is called the fibers le te ngata fibers zara no halal tugun Okay, daksa ngata zeski fabric halale sorry fibers but ngata zano okay it is also made up of yarn and thinner yarn le fibers but yarn Yanikan duptonok teniang yarn but tenata thinner yarnikane dupteno halale so basa it is a filament of a thin string halale tangata fiber but tenata now we will talk about fabric halale fabric but tenata chinosana fabric but inangata fiber bo when this fibers are made to weave halale when these fibers are made to weaving felting knitting or crochet le nam tene ngata fibers po tene ngata ngata ya weave chado ya felt chado ya mane ngata knit chado ya mane crochet chana nge po ten te ngata chi dubano te tene ngata fabric dubano hala जैसे कि ngata I ras pono tene ngata ngoma I ngata thread ut kya ten thread kan ngata thread po tene ngala ja chosla yan kan dup tenu yan benang ko tene ya thin yan mangpot kya halale ten I yan bona I yan ngata fibers kura nang po tene I fibers po tene ngata nam tha nang po ya machine through tha do ya ngata lakpana tha nang po tene I po tene ngata chi chano tene ngata I sosla tene fabric chik dubano halale. Okay student, do you know where this fibers or fabric comes from? If fibers na fabrics hama tene ka ne yonok ya kazo obtain chanok ibis ko langata sa bishitwenta ngata we see a different fabrics dasanga la za chosla we see a different fabrics it's some fabrics we see a different fabrics this is silk this is synthetic and this is cotton fabric this is again synthetic fabric this is silk and this is wool. Again, this is wool. This piece is also a synthetic piece. And this is a cotton. And this is a jute. So we have a different fabric. So now we will learn about how these fabrics come from and what these fabrics are made up of. We see a different material or we see a different fabric. So there are two types of fabric. There are two types of fibers. Sorry. First is natural fibers. And the second one is synthetic, or we can call it artificial also. Artificial fibers. So many of the students you must know, you have already seen the natural and you have seen the synthetic also. So in the natural fibers, if we see the natural fibers are those fibers that is obtained from plant or animals and from insects also. ई natural fibers को तेने मांग चंगा था plant ना animals या मने insects को निकलते ने गाता obtain चानो वाला ले artificial गाता या मने synthetic fibers को तेने मांग चाहते ने गाती ये मांग गाता man made अंग ज़रानो man made fibers अंग ज़रानो तेन ये उन मांग चाहते ने गाता they are not obtained from plant or animals, so they are obtained from or they are made by chemicals. They are made up of chemicals. So this synthetic or artificial fibers पर तेरे गाती मांग चा मी गुने चोस्कन कब तेरे गाता plants ना तेरे animals को निकने योमा नो तेरे इवो तेरे मांग चा तेरे गाता chemicals को निकने चानो का chemicals को तेरे गाता manufacturing industries को निना तेरे गाती चानो हलाले. Okay, now that's natural fibers na gata plant na animals insects ko nikani onosis tena solo synthetic na artificial fibers pa tenangati man made fibers rano ka pa tenangata chemicals ko nikani jubano hala ta I ngata further task tangna tene natural fibers pangati nen tangna te sangal la tenangata synthetic fibers kun chichi onosis na synthetic fibers kun tenamang cha chemicals ko nikan dupkan bejaste mangcha tenangata market na thona sorte oddo polyester tene tena sola polythene ngata hamesha ngati daily life na use chanok tena sola trilene tena sola nylon jar kana tene te materials samma tene ngata synthetic na yon. First we will cover this synthetic one. So tenang ata ina chion na first we will take the nylon. Te mang cha tenang ata nylon ni kan ngata socks chonok tene nylon gun tene mang cha ngata yang material ngata kosla gun na yon jis ngata t-shirt khachik tenang ata nylon gun na yon tene leggings gun tene mang cha ngati nylon gun na yon halale. Okay, nylon tena chosla polyester tena chosla terylene then na chosla acrylic then na chosla polythene I sama tenengati ibangata fabric ka fabric potenengata which is made through chemicals teneka tenengata nylon polyester trilene tene acrylic tene polythene ja joskun tene trilene gu tene cotton na tenengati polyester gun shena tenengati I material bo dubano so basa I bo tenengata synthetic fibers kun tene kaka wangata ino tebes kolano halala ika stars tangna tenengati ibungati synthetic ino chik ibangata synthetic ino kawatenengata carry bags of lamangcha use chano tai ngata starch chano ngepo tenengata it feels like a cotton magar ngata yu me ata ngepo tene yu judu khala te ngata pata chadu ki ibenang ku gatene chemicals yut kari benang ku ngata synthetic yut kan ngata use chadu khala la tangati natural fibers ku diskola te ngata selin the natural fibers fibers ngala za slat ka tenengata plant nang tene animals kuni kan yono halala tai ngata further ngata plant kan ngata ka fibers po yono yang tene ngata animals kuni kani ka fibers po yono halala ta animals nang yang po tene ngata ibena oblique tangsana insect distant halala because some are obtained from the insects also so le so basante plant kan ngata ka fibers ngata plant kan yono zana plant kan ngata cotton then plant kan ngata jute plant kan ngata flax then plant kan ngata koar halala I samate ngata plant kan ngata obtain chakane tene fibers no halala tena so ngata animals kan tana animals kan ngata wool ta wool ngata ma bojo ke halala I ngata tabik kulasting ne chen wool tena so ngata silk angora pashmina tena sosla shatosh I samate ngata animals nang insects kuni kan ngata produce shakane ngata fibers kuni no halala tangata cotton nang jute nang flax nang coir sang kan tana first plant products kun tana plant can obtain shakane fibers kul tana tene first ngata we will take the cotton la ngata natural fibers na tene ngadi plant na tene cotton banin first halala cotton batene ngata cotton mata king of all fibers edu khalale cotton ba king of all fibers sang edu tene I cotton ngata ka no zana I cotton batene ngata cotton plant kan yon halale cotton plant tene ngata flowering flowering nang po fruits halale kete ngata fruits pe kan tene ngata cotton kabangata cotton balls edu khalale te be kan tene ngati cotton bo phingeno halale tai cotton ball batene ngata bloom chajane nam kho tene mentok barte brush chanang ya patene there we can see the seeds covering with the cotton fibers halale then te jane ngata te khoi field po cotton field po kazuk thono jana ya po cotton field bo ngata khatang se ngata jinguni ka khata nang ya po pura snow cover chosla tene ngati khe tene ngata cotton balls nam khe fruits chaksa nang ya po tene te field po pura ngata snow cover chosi tene ngata thono halale so ita jana ngata tene cotton bongata tayar songte tene cotton bote jane tene tayar songto kya tene harvesting ina tene cotton bongata plug chose tene ngata cotton bote ngata plug chose phise tene ngata te wo ya again shadano kum chano halale te bangata jano te bangata jennings anang po it's a combing halale combing joches kapena tene ngata cotton e tene fruit tene ngata cotton nang po yang tene seeds mang po kya to nang po yang chacho yona te ngata clear chose lakmo chose te ngata pinche salale it is mainly done with the hand. Mang cha tene ngata hand nangya po tene cotton balls kun tene ngata hand nangya po pings tene hand nangya po kone lakmo choches start chono halale. Tene izo tene ngati cotton kun tene obtain chono halale. Ta I ngata plant kani ungka ne ngata natural fiber sangma tene chicken rup tono zena I sangma tene ngata cellulose kan bikane dupstono halale. Plant ka sam shingata fibers yongat te changma te ngata cellulose kan bikane dupteono sonle. Tangata cotton bote ngata ta use now we will study about the uses of the cotton le. Tangata cotton ngata china use chono zena mang chate ne cotton gun kan ngata cotton ne kosla gun te mang ngata t-shirt gun use chest t-shirt if ngata use chono because of the coolness te ne yang chingata towels use chono le towels if ye chono te ngata yang ibano ngata cotton halale tena so langata yang ata bandages kune fe use chono bandages na gauze halale isos kune tene mang changati cotton gun use chono handkerchiefs kune no tene mang cha tene ngata trousers no te sos kune na tene ngata cotton use chono halale tangata cotton botene ngati India ka part in thoba noksa nangi botene cotton botene ngati mangcha tene northern and Tana Punjab Haryana tene tes tene ngata Gujarat tene Andhra Pradesh Madhya Pradesh tene sosla tene Tamil Nadu tene Karnataka guna tene ngata I cotton plant po mangcha ngata thoba no halale. Now we will take the jute plant tene jute plant po tene ngata jute pate ngata jute plant kane thoba nok tene ibo tene mangcha tene ngata harvesting chono during the rainy season halale. Tene ibena kazo tene ngata cotton tene tene ngata ke fruits ponains but in this case we will take the stem part of the jute plant le. Tene ngata ibena ke stem bonena no jute plant he stem bonente te tene ngati water inangko chinangko tene immerse choste halale water inangko immerse choste tene ngata kho ta basic rule chugano road cha chugano le ta tesri te ngata nam I japo khachik board te tene china board te jude tene stem bo nam when it start rotten then te zane tene ngata ke kane ngata thread chospo tene ngata pinks te tene ngati yarn jon again shotsale so pasang tene nam ngata stem bo pinks te tene road chana ngam bo tene te kane ngata thread chosla tene raskut chosla tene bhianok tene te bangata yarn choste tene ngata tene ngata further tene ngata iboyang tene fabric mangpe na tene ngata use chono halale tene I ngata mangcha tene I jute kun tene mangcha kara use chono zena mangcha baggings kunena halale tene guni zete bags os kunena tene ngata tene yang ngata dandria tene ngata furnishing mangpojina tene ngata we use jute material halale tene because of this biodegradable textile inkan bejaste tene ibo tene mangcha tene chichi ngata ibe moisture ngata absorb chat kya ya it drain well therefore it is mostly used for packaging and for bagging also le ta jute tene ngati India tene ka thoba no se na tene it is mostly found in Bengal Bihar na tene Assam gunina tene mangcha I jute tene ngata plant po it is mostly available halale. Next we have a flax le flax po tene mangcha thu guna machora yodo but higher classes kunina tene khwa ibis kola tene ma detail in chaches no tene flax pena te ma mang pojik macha tene flax kambo tene chikan yo no zena iban tene ngata natural fibers no iban tene ngata plant kan yo no iban tene ngata flax kane plant kane yo no halale ta if flax kane plant tene ngata kazo tene ngata cotton na ke fruit use chose tene jute na ta ke stem use chose but in this we use the flax seed po halale flax seed po tene ngata use chano tene I bikan ngata ka material bo du bano zena ikan ngata material linen zakane tene material bo use chano tene linen zakam bo tene mang cha tene textile industries kunena tene 70% ospo 70% us putene ngata linen tene ngata zukunna use chono hala textile manufacturing industries kunna tene 70% putene I linen use chono the linen bo value chono chazena linen bo tene ke coolness halale. It is exceptional in coolness in hot weathers le. Teo khengata chino na yang ke speciality chichi ngata I flax kan ngata fabric ngata speciality chijo ke coolness pete fetene 70% pete ngata industrial textile industries kunetene we use this flax le. The next ngata yang plant product chikino ibang ngata coir ang sudukhala le. You tene mang changata chicken no no zana iungati coconut plant kanalale. So coconut plant kanata ibutene mang changata china use channels in filling the mattresses yang packaging inatene mang cha we use this coir material halale. So ibangata yang fiber chichigno ikanangata tene yang isosla fabrics kata use choste chano halale. Ya thogun tene inna nang yang podri chapter bo indika gi borin tene nge rewa chun khoyaguna ha goste oddo tene thores ngata yang inna be further ngata tene